Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a beautiful rainbow heart. Let's add 2 big shiny eyes. Now a cute little smile, a happy heart. Time to color. Let's use rainbow colors. First, we color red. Red like an apple. Next, orange. Now yellow. Yellow like the sun. Here comes green. Green like the grass. Now blue. Blue like the sky. Last, purple. A purple like yummy grapes. Wow! Our rainbow heart is so colorful. Let's make it sparkle. Add red glitter. Sparkle, sparkle. Now orange glitter, shiny and bright. Next, yellow glitter. Wow, so shiny. Time for green glitter. Twinkle, twinkle. Blue glitter next. So magical. Last, purple glitter. Super sparkly. Our rainbow heart is so bright, so happy, so shiny. Great job, little artists. See you next time.